How to fix Sweat Wallet app login problem. Experiencing login issues with the Sweat Wallet app can be frustrating. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve common problems. 1. Update the Sweatcoin app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Sweatcoin app, as outdated versions can cause login issues. For iPhone users, update via the App Store. For Android users, update via the Google Play Store. 2. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, then tap App Management, then tap the app list and find the Sweat Wallet app. Next, tap the Storage option and tap Clear Data and Clear Cache. If the issue is still not fixed, then try this. 3. Verify seed phrase accuracy. If you're logging in using a seed phrase, ensure it's entered correctly. If you've updated your seed phrase within the app, only the latest one will grant access. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to Sweat Support with your account details for further assistance. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope this helps. Thank you.